belongs to Paumate community, which is a hill drive to Manipur. This dance is also a very popular one among the Nagas. In the whole Wheel Festival, this very dance is being displayed by the Naga tribe called Paumei. Those dancers which are using sword, those dancers who are holding sword in the right hand are all male dancers. There is a great significance for holding this sword in the right hand. That sword doesn't mean to wreak a vengeance. It doesn't show any sort of vindictive natures of this community, particularly for those men folk. That sword is used only for the self-defense from the natural evils. In this dance, male and a female both will participate. And so in this dancing troupe of the Hakmets led by Ranjit Khan, can we sing that male dancers and female dancers are participating. Those dancers who are holding swords in their hands are all male and others female. Pikpa Naga tribe amagi oichaba jagoi makalni. Hairiba jagoi makal si nipa nupi animak na punna chaminai. Paumei singa yamna nungsina luna chana makoigi thamoi nungda thamjaba jagoi makalni. Naga chingya chauba festival Hornbill da tatna putpa pamjaba Paumei singdagi tatna uba phangi. Nipa nupi punna chaminaba siguma jagoi makhal asida nipa singa khutta thang paigani aduga nupi singna pairoi. Thang asina atopa singda laman singningbagi wakhal utpa natte. Natragana kanagumba amabu yeknabani khanduna mahabu khudong chaba launanabagi paiba thangsu natte. Mahusagi tampakta leriba phattaba kayadagi masabu masana ngakthokchananabagidamagta paijaba thangni. Therefore, we should not interpret the holding of the sword in an evil manner. There is no any meaning which is very vague.